Verifying your Wix website on Google Search Console is a crucial step in managing your website's online presence and improving its search engine rankings. To start, you need to have a Wix website and a Google account. First, sign in to your Google Search Console account and click on Add a Property. Enter your Wix website URL and click Continue. You will be asked to verify your website ownership. There are several methods to verify your website, including HTML tag, HTML file, and domain name provider. For Wix websites, the easiest method is to use the HTML tag. To do this, copy the HTML tag provided by Google Search Console. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the Settings section. Click on Marketing and SEO. Then click on SEO Tools. Paste the HTML tag into the Google verification field and click Save. Go back to your Google Search Console account and click Verify. Google will check the HTML tag on your Wix website and verify your ownership. Once verified, you can access various tools and features in Google Search Console, including Search Analytics, Sitemaps, and crawl errors. It is essential to note that verifying your website on Google Search Console does not affect your website's search engine rankings directly. However, it provides you with valuable insights and data to optimize your website and improve its online visibility. Best practices include regularly checking your Google Search Console account for errors and issues, submitting your sitemap to help Google crawl your website, and monitoring your search analytics to understand your website's performance. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively verify your Wix website on Google Search Console and improve your online presence.